about to explode.
In today's video, I'm going to be toning my hair with the Dabur Amla oil as a hair toner. So Amla refers to the Indian gooseberry fruit that looks like this. So having dark Asian hair naturally tends to make my hair go brassy like really quickly. And although hair color toners are great, using it too frequently can be a hassle, and it also could be potentially harmful and damaging to your hair if the quality is not the best and if you're using the wrong products. So I was excited to find that this oil was kind of toning my hair and darkening it as well a few months ago when I was using it. So I thought to give my hair a break from using this oil and then go back into using it in order to film this video for you, just to let my hair get a bit more brassy and then apply the oil just to see if it works again. So if you do have brassy hair and are looking to tone your hair into a nice ash brown or ash blonde color, then this video could potentially help you get rid of your brassiness. Also, please keep in mind that everyone's hair is different, so it could potentially react differently to your hair, but in the past it has definitely worked on my hair, and it also claims in the packaging to make it darker or blacker. So let's see if it works again today. If the scent is too much for you because it does have a strong scent to it, you can also use Amla powder as an alternative that you can mix with a carrier oil such as coconut oil. These are some Amla powders you could try. There's some by Henna Souk, or you could purchase some from a health food store or an Indian grocery store. So if you are using a powder, just mix in the powder with some coconut oil. After heating the coconut oil in an iron pan, or if you don't have an iron pan, you can use any other pan. So allow that mixture to cool for a while and then section your hair and apply as normal. So just start by brushing your hair in order to get rid of all of the knots in your hair. For the application, just section your hair into about 3 to 5 sections or more depending on the thickness of your hair, and start the application with the section closest to your neck.
I was real down with no bailout on my own, all alone, left to bleed out. But I rose up from the ground just like I was built.
Making some rubbing movements like so, starting at the scalp of your head and all the way down to the tips of your hair, and repeat the same process for the rest of your sections. Amla oil is also meant to help with hair growth and thickness, and if you also have dry and damaged hair, so that's always a plus as well. And by the way, this is not permanent, so obviously as you keep shampooing your hair and stuff like that, it will start to fade, but you can always reapply the oil whenever you need it. So I've just finished applying everything. As you can see, my hair is pretty much drenched in the oil. I'm just gonna leave it for about an hour. That should be good enough. Leave it on for about half an hour or so, and you could even leave it on overnight. And when washing it off, make sure to shampoo your hair twice in order to get rid of all of the oil and condition as usual. Make sure not to apply conditioner on the scalp as well, as that can get too greasy. So I basically finished washing, blow drying, and just roughly straightening my hair, and this is what the color looks like. Definitely not too dramatic or drastic of a change, but it definitely has toned my hair down. It's still like a dark brown, but it has definitely gotten rid of some of the brassy tones, and it's something that you can try if you are looking for a natural toner. So that was all for the video. I hope that was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.
I'm about to explode.